Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Febri Pertama, NPM 24411-040, Kelas Manajemen 24A. Understanding Organizational Behavior. I dive deep into the essence of how people think, feel, and act at work. Organizational behavior (OB) is the systematic study of human behavior within organizational setting, exploring how individual, groups, and structures shape performance, culture, and outcomes. By understanding OB, leader and team can unlock higher productivity, strong collaboration, and more efficient organization. Individual, group dynamics, culture change, ethics. The individual in the organization, motivation, perception, and decision making. Every organization is built from individual words, behavior, attitude, and choice determine collective outcome. Understanding the physiological drivers behind individual action is the foundation of effective management. Motivation theories from Maslow. Here to shape determination theory revealed that people are driven by a mix of intrinsic and extrinsic factors. Managers who understand these drives and design roles, rewards, and environments that sustain his performance engagement. Perception. Perception shapes how employees interpret even feedback and relationship contributes like the halo effect or confirmation bias con distort judgment. Awareness of this filter help leadership foster more objective, fair, and inclusive workplace. Decision making. Individuals use both rational analysis and intuitive heuristic when making decisions. Understanding bounded rationality and escalation of commitment help organizations design better decision framework, reduce costly errors, and encourage evidence-based thinking. Group dynamics and teamwork, collaboration, conflict, and leadership. Teams are more than the sum of their parts. Group dynamic, the invisible forces that shape how people interact, can either accelerate performance or create division. Effective leaders learn to harness this dynamic internationally. Collaboration and conflict. High performing team balance physiological safety with healthy debate, confident when managed continuously drives innovation. However, unresolved interpersonal tension erodes trust, understanding group norms, social loving, and concession help manager will team that collaborates effectively under vision, establish clear roles and share goals, foster psychological safety for open dialogues, address conflict early and directly. Leadership in group. Leadership is not a title, it's behavior transformational. Leader inspires through vision and personal connection. Will transactional leaders drive result through structure and rewards. Situational leadership model remain US to that effective leader adapt herself to the maturity and needs of their team. Transformational influence through vision and values. Servant priorities team growth and well-being. Situational adapt its style to context and people. Shaping the future. Culture change management, and ethical consideration. The most enduring organizations are those that master culture, navigate change with agility, and operate with integrity. These three pillars define the long-term trajectory of any organization. Organizational culture. Culture is the set of values, beliefs, and behavior that define how things and are done here. Structure culture alike employees around a common purpose. But toxic culture can certainly undermine even the best strategy. Either must actively shape and reinforce culture growth ritual, stories, and system. Change management. Change is constant, yet most initiatives fail due to human resistance, not technical flaw. Modeling quarters, step process, and other profit framework to guide people through uncertainty. Successful change requires clear communication, visible sponsorship, and sustaining reinforcement. Ethical consideration. Ethical behavior is not just compliance issue. Each competitive advantage orientation that embed ethical decision making into their culture will trust with employee, customer, and society leader must model integrity, establish clear ethical standard, and create safe channel for raising concern.